Also with the podcast, I think, and of course it just exploded under the pandemic, especially, when I went out and what I was following and listening, and it changed, right? I followed different ones, and then I'm like, oh, let me listen to this one. But I think with the offering of a podcast, it changed my habits, right? If I'm walking the dog, right, I will go out and then I will listen to a podcast, or going around the house doing, cleaning up a few things or something like that. I will put it on. And I see other people as well, right? You see, like, everybody is wearing a lot of earbuds. So it's just interesting how the technology, how a pandemic, right, a disruption, actually changes the way we live.
Yeah, and I think the pandemic was an accelerator, not actually a trigger point. And most of this stuff was already in the works.
Yeah.
And it was going to happen anyway, including the work remote trends and all of that. It was coming. The pandemic just accelerated it. But yeah. you started your podcast kind of in the back of the pandemic year, didn't you?
I did.
That must have been interesting.
Yeah. No, it was also not to be lonely, right? In connecting with people, and then starting learning from there and expanding my network. So that's how it's evolved. And again, looking at the first one I did and then to where I am now, right? Again, that has been a journey as well, and it's still fun. If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.